Hello, friends, welcome to Affairs Cloud. We learn to lead. My name is Vikas. So, friends, in this video, we'll be discussing the most important days of the March month. The video will be very important, so do watch the video till the end. Hit the like button, share the link of this video with your friends, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel, go subscribe. So, we'll start the video, but before that, we have something important to tell you about. We have an app by the name Careers Cloud, which you can go and download through the Play Store. Once you have downloaded the app, you will open the app and you will see this type of screen. In this, you can go and log in with your Google account, that is your Gmail ID. Then once you have logged in, then you will be moved to the this page where you can see a window. If you click on the current affairs section here, then you will be moved to this page. Now this is where magic happens. This is the course where there are two courses provided by us. First, you should know it is of 1 year and 2 years. So choose your course accordingly. What we are providing and what is the reason behind that you should purchase course of current affairs from us, and what are the important details about it. First thing, you should know that we provide you current affairs in both English and Hindi. Okay. Also, we provide you here current affairs daily. PDFs are provided daily. The important factor here to remember is we are providing PDF to you daily. Okay, that contains question answers of the daily current affairs. They are explained in a much easy way where you can grasp the knowledge and do your revision. Okay, apart from app, we provide you with question answers. Then on every day we provide you 20 question answers quiz, daily 20 questions quiz. So imagine how much it will benefit you in your preparation. Then we provide you same thing for weekly. In weekly we take a quiz of 50 questions. Then question answers of week, we provide you a book. PDF is provided you weekly of the compiled questions of the whole week. Similarly for monthly also, ebook is given, your quizzes are taken, question answers PDF. Then apart from it, we also help you to prepare for banking papers. All the banking exams you can go refer to our videos and our courses here. You can see here the we provide you banking and economic quiz of 157 questions. Okay, then topic wise PDFs are covered. As you can see, we are making videos on indexes and reports, important days, the books and authors, all the events that are taking place in individual months. So these PDFs are provided to you and they will help you a lot in your preparation for journal awareness, your journal studies, as well as for current affairs. Then you can see we also provide you current affairs for state wise current affairs are provided to you. Apart from this, I have a gift for all of my friends here. If you use my code Vikas10, you will be getting a straight 10% discount on the purchase you make. So when you are about to check out and do the payment, just before the payment, you will be getting an option to use the promo code. There you can put the Vikas10, the code, and you will be getting an extra 10% discount on the total purchase you make there. So let's start with our video. So the first is March 1. March 1 is celebrated as Zero Discrimination Day. Alright, so let's look at it. Zero Discrimination Day is annually observed across the globe on 1st of March to highlight the needs to take action to end the inequalities based on income, sex, age, health status, occupation, disability, sexual orientation, drug use, gender identity, race, class, ethnicity, and religion. The UN celebrated the first Zero Discrimination Day on 1st of March 2014. The objective to celebrate this is to eliminate mental boundaries related to sex, religion, gender, and all these things, to ensure that all inequalities related to social norms are countered. There is a symbol for this Zero Discrimination Day, and it is a butterfly, which is recognized as the sign of transformation in the symbol of zero discrimination. If we look at significance of this, it helps in discrimination is closely related to inequalities, which can lead to stigma and discrimination. Social or structural discrimination leads to inequalities in income, educational outcomes, health, and employment. Alright, so 1st of March is celebrated as Zero Discrimination Day. Next, moving on to next, 1st March, that is 1st March, we celebrate Zero Discrimination Day. On 1st March, World Civil Defense Day is also celebrated. Alright, so 2 days are celebrated on 1st of March, that is World Civil Defense Day and Zero Discrimination Day. The theme for World Civil Defense Day is strong civil protection to preserve the national economy. This is the theme, and the question will be prompt, what is the theme of the World Civil Defense Day? The theme is strong civil protection to preserve the national economy. World Civil Defense Day is annually observed across the globe on 1st of March to honor and signify the importance of civil protection. The aim is to bring the attention of the world to the public to the vital importance of civil protection. The World Civil Defense Day 2021, observed on the 1st of March, marks the 90th anniversary of International Civil Defense Organization. Alright, so first, the reason behind celebrating World Civil Defense Day on 1st March is that it marks the 90th anniversary of the International Civil Defense Organization. The theme of the World Civil Defense Day 2021 is strong civil protection to preserve the national economy. Alright, so 2 days are celebrated that we should know on 1st of March. They are first, Non-Discrimination Day, and second, Civil Defense Day. Alright, so these 2 days are celebrated on 1st of March. Then moving on to next. Next we'll be seeing that March 3 is celebrated as World Hearing Day. Alright, and the theme for the World Hearing Day is hearing care for all, screen, rehabilitate and communicate. So this is the theme for World Hearing Day that is celebrated on 3rd of March. World Hearing Day is annually observed across the globe on 3rd of March to raise awareness on how to prevent deafness and hearing loss to promote hearing care across the globe. The World Health Organization organizes the annual event of the World Hearing Day at WHO headquarters, Geneva, Switzerland. Another question that can be framed from this World Hearing Day is that who organizes these annual events of the World Hearing Day, that is WHO. The theme of the World Hearing Day is also decided by WHO. The World Hearing Day 2021 on 3rd of March is celebrated under the theme Hearing Care for All, Screen, Rehabilitate and Communicate. Alright, so this is your World Hearing Day celebrated on 3rd of March. Then on 4th of March we see National Safety Day, and the theme for the National Safety Day March 24, 2021 is Learn from Disaster and Prepare for a Safer Future. I repeat, the theme is Learn from Disaster and Prepare for a Safer Future. If we look at it, National Safety Day is annually observed across the globe on 4th of March to create awareness about the safety and hygienic measures which should be included in a lifestyle of a general people. The National Safety Week is observed from 4th of March 2021 to 10th of March 2021. This question can also be asked, that National Safety Week is observed from which day to which day? It is observed from 4th of March to 10th of March. The day marks the establishment of the National Safety Council of India. 4th of March 2021 marks the 50th National Safety Day. National Safety Day 2021 is observed under the theme Learn from Disaster and Prepare for a Safer Future. The objective is to create awareness about the importance of all the guidelines like safety, workplace safety, the safety of human and in the environment also. Alright, so 4th of March we celebrate the National Safety Day, and the theme will be Learn from Disasters and Prepare for a Safer Future. Next we'll be seeing International Women's Day is celebrated on 8th of March. The theme for this International Women's Day of 2021 is Women in Leadership, Achieving an Equal Future in a COVID-19 World. I repeat, the theme is Women in Leadership, Achieving an Equal Future in COVID-19 World. United Nations International Women's Day is annually observed across the globe on 8th of March to recognize the achievements of the women regardless of their nation, ethnic, language, culture, economic or political. The International Women's Day on 8th of March 2021 celebrates the efforts of the women and girls across the globe towards shaping an equal future and recovery from the COVID-19 pandemic. The theme of this day is Women in Leadership, Achieving an Equal Future in the COVID-19 World. We just saw The theme of the International Women's Day 2021 is in the line with the theme of the 65th session of the Commission on the Status of Women, that is Women in Public Life, Equal Participation in Decision Making. The theme of the International Women's Day campaign is hashtag choose to challenge. This is the theme for the International Women's Day campaign. All right, and the theme is hashtag choose to challenge. All right, then moving on to the next. Next, we'll be seeing that on 10th of March, CISF Raising Day is celebrated. All right, on 10th of March, CISF Raising Day is celebrated. Central Industrial Security Force, that is CISF Raising Day, is annually observed across India on the 10th of March to commemorate the services and the commitment of the personnel of CISF towards protecting the major installations and the integrity of the nation. The day also marks the establishment of the CISF on the 10th of March 1969, and that is the reason on 10th of March we celebrate the Central Industrial Security Force, that is CISF Raising Day. CISF was established under Central Industrial Security Force Act. The 10th of March 2021 marks the CISF's 52 Raising Day. Facts about CISF. The CISF, one of 6 paramilitary forces in India, came into existence in 1969 with 3 battalions to provide integrity security to the public sector undertakings. CISF has 12 reserve battalions, 8 training institutes and 63 other formations. CISF is the only force with a customized and dedicated fire wing. Alright, main thing that you need to remember about this is on 10th of March we see CISF Raising Day, and also remember that this is the 52nd Raising Day. Alright, I repeat, this is the 52nd Raising Day of CISF. Moving on to next. Next on we will see 11th of March. 11th of March is celebrated as World Kidney Day, and the theme for the World Kidney Day 2021 is Kidney Health for Everyone Everywhere, Living Well with Kidney Disease. Alright, so if we look at some of the data regarding it, World Kidney Day is observed across the globe on second Thursday of March to create awareness about the functions of kidney and to educate the importance of kidney health and reduce the impact of kidney disease. The World Kidney Day Steering Committee has declared 2021 the year of living well with kidney disease. The World Kidney Day 2021 falls on 11th of March, and World Kidney Day 2020 was observed on 12th of March, and World Kidney Day in 2020 will be observed on 10th of March. Alright, so it is not on the same day every year, it is observed on the second Thursday of the March. I repeat, alright, this is important. It is celebrated on second Thursday of March to create awareness about the functions of kidney. Then the theme will be Kidney Health for Everyone Everywhere, Living Well with Kidney Disease. Alright, so if we look at the background data, World Kidney Day is a joint initiative of the International Society of Nephrology and the International Federation of Kidney Foundations. World Kidney Day was launched on the 9th of March 2016 and it was fully inaugurated on the 8th of March 2017. The important thing that you need to remember that this year the World Kidney Day is celebrated on 11th of March and theme will be Kidney Health for Everyone Everywhere, Living Well with Kidney Disease. Next will be the 14th of March. On 14th of March, we celebrate the International Day of Mathematics, and do mark this is important. Alright, International Day of Mathematics is celebrated on 14th of March and theme will be Mathematics for a Better World. Alright, the theme is Mathematics for a Better World and it is celebrated on. Then next is on the 14th March only we celebrate another day by the name International Day of Action for Rivers, and this day is also very important. Alright, because this is for the rights of river, to clean the river, to maintain the river, and this comes under environment category, so this question automatically becomes important. So on 14th of March we celebrate International Day of Action for Rivers and the theme for this is Rights of Rivers. If we look at some of the data, the International Day of Action for Rivers, which was formerly known as the International Day Against Dams for Rivers, Waters and Life, is annually observed across the globe on 14th March to create awareness about the importance of rivers. 14th March 2011 marks the 24th edition of the International Day of Action for Rivers. The theme for the International Day of Action for Rivers 2021 is Right of Rivers. Take a note of this. It is Right of Rivers. This is the in 2021. It is celebrated as the 24th edition. All right. Then the objective is to unite people across the borders to discuss the issues on river management, river pollution, river conservation at a global level, to ensure that people are sensitized about the ecological fragile watershed areas. That means basically to create awareness about the rivers and how to keep and how to maintain the cleanliness of the particular river and don't pollute the river. Such things are covered under this International Day of Action for Rivers for the theme Right of Rivers. All right, and it is celebrated on 14th of March. Next is 16th of March. We celebrate National Vaccination Day. All right, I repeat, on 14th or 16th of March it is National Vaccination Day, and I tell you this is not related to COVID-19. So don't get confused. All right, this is not related to COVID-19. National Vaccination Day is celebrated on March 16, and this day is related to your polio. All right, so let's read it. National Vaccination Day, also known as the National Immunization Day, is annually observed across on 16th of March to create awareness about the importance of the vaccination. The Government of India aims to raise awareness about the vaccination against polio virus and other deadly viruses. The National Vaccination Day 2020 aims to eradicate both polio and the COVID-19. The day was first observed on 16th of March 1995, the day on which the Pulse Polio Immunization Program became operational. Alright, so this is basically related to your polio disease. Plus Polio Immunization Program. This the following the 1988 resolution of the World Health Assembly, the global initiative of the eradication of polio was launched. In 1995, the Pulse Polio Immunization Program was launched by India, and on 16th March 1995, the first dose of oral polio vaccination was administered in India. Alright, so on 16th of March, we celebrate National Vaccination Day, and that is related to your polio virus. Next, on 18th of March, we celebrate Global Recycling Day, and the theme for this year's 2021 Global Recycling Day is Recycling Heroes. Alright, theme is Recycling Heroes. Global Recycling Day is annually observed across the globe on 18th of March to promote the importance of recycling across the globe. The day calls for the world to work together to change the mindset of the government, businesses, communities, and individuals across the globe to consider recyclables as resources. The theme of the Global Recycling Day 2021 is Recycling Heroes. The theme of 2021 recognizes the people, places, and activities which showcase the importance of recycling toward an environmentally stable planet. Mission of Globally Recycling Day is to inform the world leaders that recycling is simply too important not to be a global issue. I repeat, what is the mission of Global Recycling Day? Is basically it is to inform the world leaders that recycling is simply not too important to be a global issue. To ask people across the globe to think of recyclables as a resource and not waste. So this is your Global Recycling Day that is celebrated on 18th of March 2021, and the theme for this year is Recycling Heroes. Next on 19th of March we see World Sleep Day. Alright, on 19th of March we see World Sleep Day. The World Sleep Day is annually observed on the Friday before the spring vernal equinox. The day is aimed to celebrate sleep and create awareness about the importance of sleep and issues related to sleep, including medicine, education, and social aspects. The World Sleep Day is annually organized by the World Sleep Day Committee of the World Sleep Society. The World Sleep Day 2021 is co-chaired by Lourdes Del Rosso, the Associate Professor of the Pediatrics, Associate Sleep Medicine Fellowship Director at the University of Washington, and Professor Feng Han, who is the MD of the Sleep Center, Peking University People's Hospital in Beijing, China. The 19th March 2021 marks the observance of the 14th Annual World Sleep Day. Alright, so World Sleep Day is celebrated on 19th of March. Moving on to next. Next is your International Day of Happiness that is celebrated on March 20. Do mark this important and take a note of it. International Day of Happiness, it is celebrated on 20th of March. If we talk about this day, The United Nations International Day of Happiness, annually observed across the globe on 20th March, is dedicated to the importance of happiness in people's life. The first International Day of Happiness was observed on 20th March 2013, and the theme of the International Day of 2021 is Keep Calm, Stay Wise, Be Kind. I repeat, Keep Calm, Stay Wise, and Be Kind is the theme of International Day of Happiness 2021. Next is your on 20th of March we celebrate World Oral Health Day. Theme is Be Proud of Your Mouth. I repeat, on 20th March we celebrate World Oral Health Day and the theme is Be Proud of Your Mouth. World Oral Health Day is annually observed across the globe on 20th March to promote the importance of the oral health and to reduce the problems of oral disease that affect the individual's health system and economy. The theme of the World Oral Health Day 2021 is Be Proud of Your Mouth, and the theme will be followed in 2022 and 2023 also. So the same theme will be followed in 2022 and in 2023. To empower people across the globe with knowledge and tools to achieve the good oral health. Alright, this is the aim of World Oral Health Day that is celebrated on the 10th or 20th of March, and the theme will be Proud of Your Mouth. Next is your 20th of March we celebrate another day by the name World Sparrow Day. Alright, and the theme is I Love Sparrows. On 20th of March we celebrate another day by the name World Sparrow Day, and the theme will be I Love Sparrows. World Sparrow Day is annually observed across the globe on 20th of March to create awareness and to bring attention to the significance and importance of conservation and protection of the sparrows and other such birds. The first World Sparrow Day was observed on 20th of March 2010. The theme was I Love Sparrows. So this is the theme of the World Sparrow Day 2021, that is I Love Sparrows. Next on 21st of March we celebrate the International Day of Forest, and mark this important, it can be asked in your exam. International Day of Forest is celebrated on 21st of March. Theme will be Forest Restoration, a path to recovery and well-being. I repeat, this is important. Theme of International Day of Forest that is celebrated on 21st of March is Forest Restoration, a path to recovery and well-being. The United Nations International Day of Forest is annually observed across the globe on 21st of March to create awareness about the importance of all types of forest. The day is annually organized by the United Nations Forum on Forest and the Food and the Agriculture Organization. That means it is organized by United Nations Forum on Forest and the Food and Agriculture Organization, that is FAO of the United Nations, in collaboration with the governments, the collective partnership on forest and other organizations that are related to the particular field. The theme of the International Day of Forest 2021 is the Forest Restoration, a path to recovery and well-being. The 2021 theme calls for the protection of ecosystem across the world. Every year, the theme of International Day of Forest is chosen by the collaborative partnership of forest. Alright, so important thing is the theme, that is Forest Restoration, a path to recovery and well-being, and this day, that is International Day of Forest, is celebrated on 21st of March. Next, on 21st March, we celebrate another day by the name World Poetry Day. Alright, World Poetry Day is celebrated on 21st of March. United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization, that is UNESCO, celebrated the World Poetry Day every year on 21st of March across the globe. So the question will be asked, who celebrates your World Poetry Day? It is celebrated by whom? It is celebrated by UNESCO. Alright, then next. It is one of the humanity's most treasured forms of cultural and linguistic expression and identity. The day was observed to recognize the poetry movements nationally as well as internationally. Next, on 21st of March, we celebrate another day by the name World Down Syndrome Day. Alright, World Down Syndrome Day is also celebrated on 21st of March. In a move to create awareness towards Down syndrome, the United Nations annually observed 21st of March as the World Down Syndrome Day. All over the world, annually 3,000 to 5,000 children are born with this chromosome syndrome. Lots of Socks campaign, this is hashtag Lots of Socks campaign, an online campaign was conducted where people are asked to wear mismatched socks to spread awareness on Down syndrome. What is Down syndrome if we talk? And this can be asked in your GK section also, like which will come to it. Down syndrome is a genetic disorder where a child is born with an additional chromosome 21. So the question is, when an additional chromosome is when a child is born with an additional chromosome, what is the disease related to it? What is the name of the disease? It is your Down syndrome. So in this way the question will be framed. This third chromosome in the addition to the two chromosomes 21 that are generally present in the humans lead to a disorder, so it is called trisomy 2021. All right, so remember, on 31st of March we celebrate World's Down Syndrome Day, World Poetry Day, and along with it we celebrate the International Day of Forest also. So these three are celebrated. And if we move on to next, then we'll see that another fourth day is also celebrated on the 21st of March, that is International Day for the Elimination of Racial Discrimination. All right, so there are 4 days that are celebrated on 24th of March, 21st of March, and the fourth is International Day for the Elimination of Racial Discrimination. The theme will be youth standing up against racism. And if we talk about it, the United Nations International Day for the Elimination of Racial Discrimination is annually observed across the globe on 21st of March to eliminate all forms of racial discrimination and to create awareness about the impacts of racial discrimination. The day aims to support a global culture of tolerance, equality, and anti-discrimination. The theme of International Day for Elimination of Racial Discrimination 2021 is Youth Standing Up Against Racism. The theme engages the general public through fight racism and calls out everyone to fight against racial prejudice and intolerant attitudes. Alright, so the theme is important for this International Day for the Elimination of Racial Discrimination that is celebrated on 21st of March is Youth Standing Up Against Racism. Moving on to next. Next is your World Water Day. World Water Day with the theme Valuing Water is annually observed on 22nd of March. Alright, if we talk about it, United Nations World Water Day is annually observed across the globe on 22nd of March to enhance the focus on the importance of fresh water to create awareness about the global water crisis. The main aim of the World Water Day is to support the achievement Sustainable Development Goals, water and sanitation for all by 2030. Next is Martyrs Day. On 23rd of March, we celebrate Martyrs Day, and Martyrs Day is also celebrated as, or you can say it is Shaheed Divas. Alright, Government of India annually observes 23rd of March as Shaheed Divas or Martyrs Day to honor 3 young freedom fighters, and they are important: Bhagat Singh, Sukhdev Thapar, and Shivram Rajguru. Remember these 3 names, they are very important and have a higher chance of being asked in your exam. The 90th death anniversary of the 3 youngsters were observed on the 21st of March 2020. On 30th of January, the death anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi is also observed as the Martyrs Day. Alright, so moving on to next. Next, on 23rd of March, we observe World Meteorological Day. And the theme for the World Meteorological Day 2021 is the ocean, our climate and weather. I repeat, the theme is the ocean, our climate and weather is the theme of World Meteorological Day. The United Nations World Meteorological Day is annually observed across the globe on 23rd of March to create awareness about the importance of the role of the people and their behavior in protecting the Earth's atmosphere. The day showcases the contribution of national meteorological and hydrological services towards the safety and well-being of the society. World Meteorological Day 2021 is a registered activity of the United Nations Decade of Ocean Science for Sustainable Development. The theme of World Meteorological Day 2021 is the ocean, our climate and the weather. This is important and this is the question that will be framed. The ocean, our climate and the weather is the theme of World's Meteorological Day that is celebrated on 23rd of March. Then next, on 27th of March, we observed World Theatre Day. I repeat, on the 27th of March, we observe World Theatre Day. World Theatre Day is annually observed across the globe on 27th of March to create awareness about the importance of theatre arts. The day is observed around 90 international theatre institutes, centers across the globe and international theatre community. The objective is to promote the art from across the world to make people aware of the value of the art form and to enable the dance and theatre communities to promote their work on a broad scale so that opinion leaders are aware of the values of those from and support them. All right, so the work question is direct. All right, in all the days question, these are the important days of March, the questions will be direct. When, what day is celebrated on 24th of March, what day is celebrated on 1st of March, what day is celebrated on 27th of March. So the options will be direct. This is just the additional information that you need to know about the particular day. All right, so on 27th of March we observe World Theatre Day. Then Earth Hour, and this is the last day we'll be discussing. On 27th of March itself we observe Earth Day for 60 minutes. Earth Day is annually observed across the globe on the last day of March as a symbolic gesture towards the commitment to preserve the earth and to support action against climate change. Earth Hour is one of the world's largest grassroots movements for the environment. The first Earth Hour was held in Sydney, Australia 2007. Every year on Earth Hour, millions of people across the globe switch off their non-essential electric lights for an hour between 8:30 to 9:30 p.m. Earth Hour 2021 is observed on 27th of March 2021. The Earth Hour 2020 was observed on 28th of March, and the Earth Hour of 2022 will be observed on 26th of March. Alright, so the important question becomes here. Earth Hour is annually observed on the last Saturday of March as a symbolic gesture. So every year, Earth Day or Earth Hour is observed when? On the last Sunday or last Saturday of March. I repeat, Earth Day is annually observed on the last Saturday of March. Next, and on 27th of March itself we observe Earth Hour for 60 minutes. Alright, every year Earth Hour is observed on the last Saturday of March as a symbolic gesture towards the commitment to preserve the earth and to support action against climate change. Every year on Earth Hour, millions of people across the globe switch off their non-essential lights from between 8:30 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. The Earth Hour 2020 was observed on 28th of March, and in 2022 it will be observed on 26th of March. And the theme of the 2021's Earth Hour is climate change to save Earth. All right. So friends, this was our video. I hope you enjoyed our video. If you liked our video, do hit the like button, share the link with your friends, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel or if you are new to our channel, then do subscribe because it motivates us to bring a better content for you guys. Also, if you have any trouble regarding login or payment or any other issues, then you can reach to us on our mail, that is support@affairscloud.com, or you can call us on the number 9677333862 and we'll resolve your issue as soon as possible. Also, you should go and check our courses that are available at a very reasonable price and that will help you to boost your preparations for upcoming government exams. You can use the code Vikas10 to get a straight 10% discount on any purchase you make. Alright, so that's all for the day. Take care.